Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's fix this glueless frontal. Do you know that I ruined it at the end of the day? Don't worry, watch what I'm saying. This lace net is already made glueless frontal. You don't need to even add the band. Do you get? I bought the net like that. They already made it glueless. So you just need to do anything you want to do on top, wear it, then cut out the lace at the front. You can see I wore it and it's already attached to my head without adding any glue, just for me to cut the lace out. So watch and enjoy the video. The full video of how I did this wig from beginning to end, how I did this braided wig, this Ghana weaving braided wig from beginning to end, the link is in my description. You can go and watch it if you want to learn how to make Ghana weaving braided wig. Yes. You know, I said that this wig cap is already a glueless frontal. You can see where they put the band on the wig cap. It's already made. This is where they put the band, so you don't even need to cut the band off because they put it already where a glueless band is supposed to be. So that's why when you put it on, yeah, it's going to turn a glueless frontal. You can buy this lace net, take a picture of it, go to the market and buy it if you want something like this. So, and I said before, the video of this braided wig, it's in my description box from start to end. You even see the main you will see the wig, the lace wig net before I started braiding on it. You will see it, so you can take a picture of it and go to the market if you want. So I just needed to lose this hair, needed to lose the edges hair, and you know, add edge control to it, then it's done. Yes.